Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVAX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis several times this past week, so want to get things wrapped up here as we head into Friday. But that is where the red and green line notations are coming into play. And that's also where the first big update comes into play. The price was finally able to get the breakout of this very stubborn area of resistance up here at 42. We'll call it 45, which also brings about the first key update. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So ideally speaking, going forward in terms of what would make the chart look the best, definitely if the price can stay above 42, 45. With that being said, don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below that level, then that implies that the entire chart is epically destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that area, that would be a great sign of power. And the next couple levels of support you would have would be near term right here at that purple line there, the 50 period moving average, and then overall down here at the $36 mark. 36 I would consider a much more important level, but really not that relevant at all given that the price is, still got two areas of support that would have to be broken down below before that one would even come into play. So keep an eye on those. And then as far as levels of resistance are concerned, good problem to have. There just really isn't anything out there. Now, of course, am I going to draw this level here at 46? Nothing fancy or complicated behind that at all, other than the fact of that's just where the breakout and momentum finally stopped today. But outside of that, and let me just take it to the daily time frame here, you can see that the chart, I don't know if is at, no, not quite at all-time highs, but highs that have not been seen for a very, very long time. So if the price can get more breakout on the day, next key level, not until really up about $49. So, I mean, there's still plenty of room for this thing to keep on moving if it can get that $46 break. But all in all, very, very impressive week. Crazy to think that not that long ago this thing was down around $5. But overall, congratulations to all of you that are, I'm sure, doing very nicely in it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.